What if I have a mixed environment between cloud and on-prem?
Okay. Going a little back, so DMM is a tool that basically it's what we call an engine. DMM itself is like a gear. When we have those drawings, it's the gear that goes in the middle that does the heavy loading of the data migration. Okay, but DMM itself does not have an user interface. It's just what we call a DLEL. Okay, so this is something that you plug into an application to do the data migration, and to do so, it just needs two connection strings, one to the source database and one other to the destination database. This means it just needs to know how to connect directly to the database where the information, the OutSystems information is. Now, this also means it does not go through any OutSystems environment to do this, okay?
Why is this so important? Why is this important?
Yes, it's important because it shows that DMM works in a lower level that OutSystems developers are used to work, okay?
Okay.
Now, of course, you need to have an user interface, you need to have somehow to interact with DMM, and that's why we built an OutSystems application that uses this DLEL, this gear, to make it. And that's what you find in the Forge for our Infosistema DMM component. It's the OutSystems application, very thin, just a UI to leverage this engine, this powerful engine that it really is Infosistema DMM. So it's an engine made in .NET.